Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best oven toasters. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Oster large capacity countertop 6-slice oven toaster. Do you want a massive capability toaster which can serve your circle of relatives higher? The Oster large capacity countertop oven toaster is a great desire as it may keep up to 6 slices. As a result, saves time. It also employs a convection generation that permits it to cook dinner faster and correctly. The toaster also capabilities a digital manipulate system with interior light for viewing. Besides being capable of hold up to 6 slices, it has a large interior which can maintain 13x9 pan, casseroles, and ham among others. Get it these days through making your order now, and it will be added within the expected time. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Breville Bob450 XL Mini Smart Oven Toaster. Are you seeking out a pleasant toaster to accommodate your small lone family? This is an exquisite mini oven toaster that is recommended for small households as it resources handiest 4 slices. This is an ergonomic and versatile toaster with up to 8 preset cooking features. It is also a strong oven toaster that has approximately 1800 watt factors and employs the Element IQ technology for quick cooking. It is likewise one of the most cheap toasters available on the market. You need to offer an attempt. Get it nowadays, and you may adore it. At number 3, we have the Breville Bob450 XL Compact Oven Toaster. The durability and performance of any toaster will continually be a crucial component in shopping for the toaster. For a long-lasting and green toaster, the Breville Bob450 XL is an awesome desire when you consider that it's made from satisfactory stainless steel. It is likewise handy to govern as it functions a backlit LCD screen from wherein you could control all the capabilities. It cooks very speedy, and notwithstanding its top-notch features, it smiles relatively reasonably priced and inexpensive. At number 2, we have the Cuisinart CPT180 Metal Classic Toaster. This is a 2-in-1 toaster that capabilities a smooth brushed stainless housing to offer you the fine overall performance. It has dual control machine panels that allow it to promise splendid and reliable services simply as predicted. It also has 6 placing that makes it suitable for unique sports. You can now find the toaster online wherein it's available at a pocket-friendly rate. This toaster comes with up to 3 years constrained guarantee. Get it today, and you'll never remorse due to the fact that it's one of the nice available on the market nowadays. Dual control panels make this 2 toasters in one with smooth brushed stainless housing custom. Control 6 setting browning dials, dual reheat, defrost and bagel buttons with LED indicators. And finally, at number 1, we have the Breville Bob450 XL Smart Oven Toaster. Breville Bob450 XL is an excessive quality and really successful oven toaster that supplies just as predicted. The toaster has Element IQ that allows it to provide the best power for the toasting. Besides this, it additionally has up to 9 preset capabilities that make it a flexible toaster you don't need to miss. With a big and clean to study LCD display screen, you will find it very ergonomic and one of the satisfactory on the market these days. Get started with this excellent toaster these days, and you'll by no means omit the tasty and mouth-watering bread toast you adore. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this oven toasters, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.